Hey guys, Susie Nelson here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Vidnami video in Lumen5. Now, if you haven't heard by now, Vidnami is gone, and all former Vidnami lovers are very sad and heartbroken. So we have been in search of good Vidnami alternatives, and this is one you should definitely check out. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Try this Vidnami alternative out for free to see if it works for you. Click the link in the description below to start making Vidnami-like videos with Lumen5. Okay, so this is how this video is going to be structured. First off, I'm going to talk about Lumen5 features and how they stack up against Vidnami, highlighting the features that you want if you are a former Vidnami user. Secondly, Kim is going to show you how she created a video in Vidnami before it went away. And third, I'm going to create the same video in Lumen5, so you can see the exact same video created in each video maker, and see why Lumen5 is a closed Vidnami alternative right now. And heads up, before we even get into this video, I just want to give you a full warning. There is no exact replacement for Vidnami. Unfortunately, there is no one product that does exactly everything Vidnami did as well as it did it. Now, let's talk about the features that Lumen5 does have. Lumen5 is an AI video maker, so therefore it does have an auto clip selection. Lumen5 has one auto voice currently in beta. They also have a library of background music that you can add to your video just like Vidnami. They support different formats like horizontal, vertical, or even the square format just like Vidnami. They do support the 1080p export option. This is going to be a premium plan feature. The premium plan will also offer you some brand customization options, and the business plan will provide the option to upload your custom font and watermark. You can upload your own media and music, and all Lumen5 plans do come with unlimited videos. Now, Lumen5 does not have all of the features that you're used to in Vidnami, and keep watching because I'm actually going to call those out as I create the Vidnami-like video inside of Lumen5. Okay, we're going to do the Lumen5 versus Vidnami demo comparison. Now we're going to start with Kim making the video inside of Vidnami. If you don't want to see this, then refer to the chapters in the description below, and you can skip forward to where I make this exact same video inside of Recreate. But we really want you to be able to see step by step how Vidnami and Recreate compare and how they don't. Take it away, Kim.
In Vidnami, I'm going to come to the Create a New Video option, and then I'm going to go through Vidnami's process to actually create a really quick and easy video. So I'm just going to leave it on the content video format template, which is what you choose at first. I'm going to choose the cool blue template. Then I'm going to paste a script in here. And if you want the script to test out, then definitely download my user guide. I've actually got it linked in there for you to give you a really easy and quick script that you can use to save yourself time. Now that I've pasted my script, now we're going to go to the scenes, and this is where Vidnami does its AI and its auto clip generation, where it automatically creates a video for us, right? And this is going to be where you actually enhance or edit each scene as you want. So some of the popular options are to come here and actually use these words that are auto-populated for you to find different images that you can actually use. And at any point, you can choose any of these images to use in this scene instead of what it auto-populates. Then you scroll down and check the scenes, right? And at any point, you can come in here and you can edit words and you can edit the highlighting as well. Your scene options allow you to do some popular things like hiding the text, bolding and underlining the different parts of your captions, moving the caption to different positions, adjusting the background, and easily linking the previous scene using the same media layout and motion. And if you decide you don't like the screen, you can delete. We're going to say that it's good as is, and we're going to move on to the voice. In this case, we're going to keep things simple and just use one of these auto voices. But in many cases, affiliate marketers and online marketers that use Vidnami, and even creative agencies, like to either record their own voice track or upload a voice track for the video. We're going to go with Kate. Now we're going to preview our video. And depending on how long the video is, this particular step in the preview part can take a few minutes. So we will wait patiently as Vidnami does its thing. Now that the preview is generated, we can celebrate different background music. You can also upload your own music, as you know. And then if you come to options, this is where you have some additional options to adjust the music volume, the track volume, and even the voice track speed. Hit preview again since I made some adjustments, and it's going to create another video preview for me. You can come down here and actually play the video, and then when it looks good, you continue, in which Vidnami will actually create and generate your video. And this is an option that most of us use. We actually like to come in here and change the resolution to full HD 80p, which does take slower times to generate, larger file sizes, but higher quality videos. Then we generate video and Vidnami does its thing once again. So this is going to be the process of creating a video in Vidnami, and one of the reasons why it was such a favorite, because you really could spend very little time creating pretty high quality videos with minimal work. Now Vidnami has finished actually creating my video. I'm going to choose download to download it to my desktop. Then I'm going to open it and play you the example.
Now, because we really want you to see what Vidnami creates versus Lumen5, let's go right into Lumen5 and show you how to create this exact same video. Now, to keep this video very simple, I'm going to do the exact same steps that Kim just did in Vidnami. In order to create the video, first we're going to log into Lumen5 and we're going to add a new video. Next, you choose your template. I would like to find one that looks close to our Vidnami example, so we'll choose this one. The next step is choosing your video format. We can choose between horizontal, vertical, and square for almost all social media types. We'll choose the 16:9 because that's what we used in Vidnami. Now you can paste a URL to your blog or your article, or you can copy and paste down below. Because Kim provided us with this test script, we're just going to copy and paste this, just like she did in Vidnami. Don't forget, you can grab this in the description below for quick testing if you need it. Now that we've pasted our script in, I just like to read through and make sure that all the sentences are where they're supposed to be. I would like to combine these two, and I like these two on the same line as well. They do have an option to use AI to select the best sentences. If you hover over the question mark, they'll tell you that Lumen5 will actually go through and pull out up to 20 sentences unless you uncheck this option. I want my whole script in there, so I'm going to uncheck that. And then we'll click Convert to Video. This is where AI takes over and selects clips, and if you use the check mark down here, sentences, that they think are best for your scene. So here we go. It auto-generated a video choosing its own images and highlighting for each scene. Here I would go ahead and title my video. I'm not going to title mine right now because I know I'm going to make some changes before I post the final video. On the left we have the music option. If your video has a track already in it, it will show here. The green check mark is the one that's playing. And if you don't want the video track, you can close it out here. They do have several for you to choose from, and you can upload your own music on the upgraded plan. Next on the left is style. This is where you can create a brand kit with an upgrade. You can add your business watermark as well with an upgrade, and you can change your palette. My Vidnami video did not have any green in it. It only had blues, so I'll change that here. And the last button on the left is your format. At the top, you can see the video resolution is at 1080p HD. This is an option available in the upgrade. For the free plan, it will only be 780p. If at any point you wanted to change this to a vertical or to a square, you could do that here as well. I'm going to click Story and bring our script back up so it's on the left, because now we want to preview each scene to make sure that the clip or image that was selected is the one we want. As we see the next screen, it has taken the liberty of changing the format. If that is something you don't want, swap design on the right. You can choose which format you would want, and we're going to choose this one because it's closest to our Vidnami demo video. And it's just a simple click and it does replace it for you. You can preview each scene. And you can change the timing before you adjust any voiceovers. We'll talk about that in just a second. You can shuffle the colors. And in the More Options section, if there's a background animation, you can adjust that or remove any media. So as we take a look at this, we can see we're going to need to highlight in some areas. It's as simple as clicking on the text box, highlight what you want highlighted, and then click the highlight button. You can change the color from here if you'd like to. In the text option, you can also change the text size. You can change the position of where the font is in the scene. You can actually change the font and the text color. On the left, you can see what scene you're working on. You can duplicate the scene. You can add a sub-scene, which was not a feature in Vidnami. However, in Lumen5, you cannot merge or split scenes. Your only option would be to delete, add, or to add the sub-scene. So as we continue to scroll, we can see there are going to be a few minor adjustments that I need to make in here. And as I get to the bottom, if I compare this to my script, there is a slide missing. So you would add that in, pick your scene, copy from the story, and simply paste it into your scene. If you wanted to highlight, you could do that here, and you have an option to show an outro. Now that we've taken a look at our full video by scene, we know we want to change the video on this, so let's talk about how to adjust the media. Go to the media button on the left, and here you're going to find a couple of differences from Vidnami. Lumen5 is not quite as smart with the auto selection as Vidnami was. So to search for a video you're looking for, type in your keyword. When you find a video you like, you can star it to save it for later, and it tells you whether it's free or you need an upgrade to pay for it. Another difference from Vidnami is that they do not give you the suggested searches to try and match your AI with your sentence, so you will have to pick out your own keywords in this section. We'll choose this one. Now that I've chosen the picture, I can see the filter, so let's swap the design. And now you can see there's a Shutterstock watermark on here. That will not show in your final video, so do not worry about that, because that won't even show on your video in the free plan. Once you've come in and you've done all the highlighting and the scenes are the way that you want, you do have the option for voiceover at the top. You can record your voiceover here. You would click the microphone and begin. If you are interested in the AI voice, it is in beta, which means you have just one male American voice. You cannot adjust the speed, volume, pitch. It is just the one voice. And when you turn that on, it does change the timing of each scene to match the voice. Once you click this, I would give it a few minutes because it is currently rendering. So give it a few minutes before you preview. At any point you are working on this video, you can preview it. It will take a moment to render, so just be patient. In the preview, you can copy the link directly, and there's no way to download from here, so you would just close out when it's where you like it. Your final option would be to publish. As it's publishing, it will pop up in this box. This is another difference between Lumen5 and Vidnami. This is actually put on what looks like a blog post, and you can comment by scene if you need to give them additional information. Anytime you hover, you could come in and comment by scene. From here, you can change your format and auto resize. You can post directly to Facebook. And right now, our video is rendering. All watermarks will be removed, and the download starts automatically when it's done rendering. It also creates an article below it as if it were a blog post, and this is the script that I copied and pasted into the video. Now that the video has rendered, you would download it. Once you do, it pops up on your screen, and it's been put on my computer just like Vidnami. We're going to open it up and preview it so you can see how Lumen5 creates a very similar video to Vidnami, but not exact. If you are interested in seeing the full examples, we have posted them on our YouTube channel. They are included in the links below in the description, and you can go watch the full Lumen5 video example versus the full Vidnami video example. Now, don't forget Lumen5 does not have all of the features that Vidnami did. I pointed out quite a few. The final difference between Lumen5 and Vidnami is the difference in the pricing structure. With Vidnami, you had one monthly plan at one price for all features. In Lumen5's case, you actually have multiple plans. They do have different prices, whether they're billed monthly or billed yearly. And the plans you're going to toggle between are going to be the creator plan and the premium plan. In order to get the comparable features that you're used to in Vidnami, you will definitely want to choose the premium plan. And if at any point you're interested in updates that they have made or that are in the works, be sure to go to their Lumen5 updates page where you can see what they have going on so you can be in the know. If you think Lumen5 is right for you, head down to the description and check it out using our link below, where you can sign up for the free plan to try it out and see if you like it. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We really appreciate your support. And keep watching our channel for additional Vidnami alternatives as we take the time to research and compare them to Vidnami to try to find the best alternative for you. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching!